across to Foreign Affairs Minister Jai Shankar speaking on battling COVID and foreign aid that India has received.
Accurate way of projecting the situation, because as I said, COVID is a shared problem for the whole world. Okay, now just look at last year when it came, or even this year when it came to medicines. Okay, we gave medicines, hydroxychloroquine, paracetamol. We gave to the United States. Okay, we gave to Singapore. We gave to European countries. We sent a medical team to Kuwait. We gave actually vaccines to some countries in the Gulf. Now, would you have described it as aid? We described it actually as friendship, as support. I think, we have to understand the uniqueness of the problem we are facing today. Okay, so when you say it is not like what it was before, look, there was no COVID before. We've never really had, in my lifetime, I'm older than you, I have never seen a global crisis of this proportion. A global crisis requires people to come together. So I think this kind of aid, these arguments, this is sort of point scoring. I think people are not connecting conceptually with the problem. They're not connecting emotionally with the suffering and the danger which is happening in India. When I look, the kind of situation which I'm seeing and you are seeing in Delhi, I'll do everything in my power to get help for people. So I will leverage all my relationships. I will, call in every IOU I have. And I have many, because I have done my share in the past. And people know that. I've had foreign ministers saying, look, I'd like to do this. There are people who call up simply to say, look, I'm at least morally with you. I feel I would like to do something. I have limitations. So you've got to understand, to say, well, this is aid, this is different. Have we gone down in life because we are getting support from outside? I don't think so. I think for me, I have one objective. My people are going through a very difficult phase of COVID in the second wave. As foreign minister, as someone heading a ministry which has relationships around the world, I will do everything which I have accumulated over many, many years to help my people. It's natural.
So there is also a political angle, a lot of coverage, foreign media coverage, covering this pandemic in India in a different manner. You are representing the entire country here and abroad. So how do you defend this? There is some sort of politics is also around this COVID situation in India. So how do you look at it?
Well, sadly, you are right. I wish it wasn't so. But what I can say is, look, again, when it happened in other countries, including UK, when a pandemic hits a society very hard, there are questions, there are arguments, there is a lot of second guessing. You should have seen it coming. We could have told you so, etc. It's not unique to India. Okay, it's happened in other societies as well. In our case, yes, I'm very conscious of our own debate. Obviously, it's something I hear and I'm involved with every day. People have spoken about elections. Now, obviously, we are a democratic country. You don't stop elections in a place like India. The only time I remember we stopped elections was an era which some decades ago, when I was very much younger, where none of us really wants to be associated with that kind of memory. Now, we are a democracy, okay? We are a very argumentative society. Now, there will be this kind of point scoring. Somebody will say, this crowd contributed to it. Somebody else say, well, that crowd contributed to it. Somebody will say, well, some individual or leader A didn't wear a mask here. Somebody will say, well, leader B didn't wear a mask there. So I would say when I go out, in my sense, in my view, I think we need to put a pause to it. We have a serious national crisis. fact is, I mean, societies are defined by their ability to come together when you deal with a crisis of this magnitude. It's like a war, you know.
All right, that's Foreign Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on the COVID crisis in India. We're slipping into a break. News and updates on the other side as well. Stay with us.